Okay, good afternoon all. We are again here for another virtual meeting between Bedians and Severians. And today it's a very special day. We are celebrating World Translation Day. So let us start the meeting with a silent prayer just for 3 seconds. Okay. Okay, thank you all. So again, it is just an informal meeting. Let me tell to St. Obedience and to St. Xavier students. Please note that it is an informal meeting just to break the ice between these two institutions. Last month, we had a meeting that was purely formal inaugural function of our virtual meeting, interactive virtual meeting. Today, only the students and very few teachers are here. So feel free to communicate each other. Please get to know each other, and we have planned some fun games within this program. Please participate all those programs. Now I invite Serin Majo, our EBSB coordinator, to speak a few words about this day, Translation Day. Serin, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, Serin.
International Translation Day is an international day celebrated every year on 30th September on the feast of Saint Jerome, the Bible translator who is considered the patron saint of translators. The celebration have been promoted by International Federation of Translators ever since it was put up in 1953. In 1991, Federation of Translators launched the idea of an officially recognized International Translation Day to show solidarity of the worldwide translation community in an effort to promote the translation profession in different countries. This is an opportunity to display pride in a profession that is becoming increasingly essential in the era of progressing globalization. Translation enables effective communication between people around the world. It is a courier for the transmission of knowledge, a protractor for cultural heritage, and essential to the development of global economy. Thank you.
Okay, Sarin, thank you. So I just want to add one more point for Sarin's talk. Every year, International Day, there will be a theme for International Day. So this year's theme is finding the words for a world in crisis. So now the entire world is in a pandemic situation that we all know. So now we are finding our own words in the world in this crisis situation. So today, the crisis should be lessened after this meeting because we are informally meeting each other. And let me take this opportunity to welcome Manu Mahajan sir, EBSB coordinator of St. Bede's College. And sir, I think your NSS coordinator is here. Am I right?
No, ma'am, he's not there.
Okay, okay,
His some
no
work is not
problem.
able to join.
No problem, sir. And I invite my dear Sonia John Marcos, my partner for EBSB Club, and Dr. Bridget Joseph, Department of Hindi. She was very enthusiastic about this event. Welcome you, ma'am. And Lekha too, Dr. Lekha from Hindi department, and all the Bedians and all the Severians. Please make this event a wonderful, memorable day. So let us start this program with an ice-breaking session. We Severians have planned something very funny. Seren, can you introduce your ice-breaking game?
Ma'am, Megha has told she
Okay,
will
Megha.
introduce it. Megha Anil
Okay,
Kumar.
Megha Anil Kumar, please introduce this game.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. First of all, a very good afternoon to one and all present in this session. Today, representing the Severians, I would like to introduce a small ice-breaking game, which I believe will enable all of us to open up and talk to each other comfortably. So, Bedians and Severians, I hope you are well versed with the game of Antashri. I mean, we all play it in class informally, right? So yeah, that's basically about, you sing a song and then the next team or the next person sings a song that starts with the last letter of the previous song. So we were thinking of changing it up a little bit and playing Antashri game using Bollywood movie titles. For example, now if the Savarians start with letter A, I guess, then we would say Ashiki, that's a movie, which ends in I. So the Bedians would like to continue with another movie, Bollywood movie, which starts with I, and so on. So shall I start?
Megha, I think you should break the ice first. Please unmute your video. Please open your video. Just introduce yourself, Megha. Let it be the first session. Okay, Megha, thank you.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, ma'am.
No problem, no problem.
Yeah, so
Okay, Bedians and Severians, are you ready?
yeah, come on,
Yes,
put on your
ma'am.
thinking caps and
Yes,
refresh
ma'am.
all your
Yes,
movie
yes.
knowledge. Bollywood.
Yes. Bear
Okay,
with us,
so
me and Sonia, ma'am. I don't know much Hindi film names.
oh, that's okay, ma'am. Everyone can participate. That's all this is all
Okay.
about, right?
Okay, I think we can have two teams, right? Bedians and
Yeah,
Severians.
yeah,
It
sure,
is
ma'am.
just for purely for fun. And those who are giving the title name, please turn on your video. Okay, then we can have a further good chat. Okay, Megha, you can start with the any movie.
Yeah, okay, let's switch things up a little bit. I'll start with Z. Zindagi na milegi dobara. I. Obedience. Anyone who knows a Bollywood movie name that starts with I? Obedience is your turn.
Uh, Bedians, anyone?
Ishq.
Yeah.
Okay,
Who was
Q.
that? Jyotsna, please turn on your video. We can have your face, right? Jyotsna Bekta, right?
Yes, ma'am. I think,
Can
ma'am, my camera is not working.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, you got the name Ishq and it
Yeah,
ends with,
so Zavarians, anything with Q?
is it Q or is there
Ishq.
any?
Ishq
It's
ends in
Q.
Q, right?
Kayamat se kayamat tak.
Yeah, got it. Khayamat se Khayamat tak. Diya Sarkar, please turn on your video. Yes, Diya, hi. This is Diya and Megha. And we got Jyotsna from Bedian, Saint Beats. Okay. And Khayamat se Khayamat tak. And the last letter is
K.
K,
K.
Last
right?
letter is K.
Yes. Okay, Bedians, come on. Yeah, Predita.
Karthik calling Karthik.
Please turn on your video. Just want to see you all. Right.
Okay, that's again K.
Prerita, can you turn on your video? No.
Actually, I have network problems. So
Okay,
might
sir.
not work.
Okay, Prerita, maybe. Then next letter.
K.
K. Zavarians with K. Anyone?
Kal ho na ho.
Serin, you should.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
Serin,
great.
good.
Okay, so O.
Alho na ho. O.
O.
Oh my God.
My
Akshita
God.
Sharma.
Okay.
Okay, we got the first beautiful face from BDN. Saint Beats, you turned off your video. Hi, Akshita. Okay, and
Hello.
then your name, the title of the movie was?
Oh my
Oh my
God. So
Oh my
with
God,
D.
and with
Yeah.
D. Okay, Severians.
Dilwale Dulhania.
Okay. That was from Saint Saviour's, right?
Yeah.
And who turned on the video and suddenly stopped, turned off? Who was that?
Adira is there, Shruti,
Ma'am, Adra.
Adra, turn on your video. Okay, so it was, title was, name of the movie?
Dilwale.
Dilwale. Is it
E.
E?
Yeah.
Yes.
E.
BDN?
Ek tha tiger.
Okay.
Okay.
Ek tha tiger. R.
Okay. Again,
Rajkumar.
Ramisa, turn on your video. Yeah, hi Ramisa. And the movie name was?
R. Rajkumar.
Rajkumar.
Okay.
Again
So the
R. Okay.
R.
Obedience.
Yeah, Tanya Sharma. Hi. And the name was?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, Raz.
Raz. Okay, Raz.
Set.
Z. Severians.
Zid.
Ramiza. You haven't turned your
Zid.
video on. Yes, Zid.
Zid.
Okay,
Okay.
Zid.
D.
D. Bedian.
Dilwale.
Tanya. Okay, Tani Sharma. Okay, good. The ice is still. The ice is still hard. It is not breaking. Is it because of we teachers that you are not interacting? Obedience? Okay, that was the letter, last letter, Megha, which was the last letter. And who should,
E.
whose turn?
Severians have to say something with E.
E.
English, English.
Okay, English, English.
Oh.
Okay, good, good. And ends with H.
Yeah.
हम आपके हैं कौन?
I think Tanya should stop answering all those questions. All the other obedience should answer.
Not English Sala.
I didn't get you, Ramiza.
Not English Sala.
I don't know that. Megha, did you get the name?
I've heard of it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Not
okay.
English, I think. I haven't heard of the name.
Okay. And next time, no Dia Sarkar, no Ramiza, no Zerin. Someone else should answer. Okay, from Saint Xavier's. And Bedian, not Jyotsna, not Tani Sharma. Someone else should answer. Okay. And the next turn?
It's Obedience, I guess.
Yeah, it's
Obedience.
Obedience' turn.
Okay, and the letter?
A.
A.
Okay.
Obedience.
too.
Ashiki and Sakshita. Good. Ashiki 2. So I don't know which letter you should. Oh, is it O?
Yeah.
Yeah, O for Severians.
Om Shanti Om.
Yeah.
Okay. Adira. Om Shanti Om. Om Shanti Om. Is it? Okay. M. Obedience. M.
Marjava.
Prerita, I didn't get you. Mohabbatain. Is it Mohabbatain?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Megha. Then the letter N. Is it N?
That ends with N, I guess.
Yes. But the ice is still it is very hard. I believe. The ice is not yet melted. Is it because we teachers are here to guide all these things and all? Why? Obedience, please come forward. I think we'll move to the next session of the program. I think all the obedience and all the Severians are very well versed in all the Hindi names. It is equal.
Yes,
Winners
ma'am.
are Saint Beats and Saint Saviors. Okay.
Yeah, because
Okay,
actually Bollywood is a sector that everyone follows every day.
Yeah. So, okay, thank you, Megha, for the wonderful game, and thank you, Severians, and thank you, Bedians, for your participation. Now we are moving to the next session. I think, Bedians, you have some plans for the day. Tani Sharma? Or something else, someone else. Jyotsna.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Jyotsna.
My name is Jyotsna Vikta. I'm doing BCom third year. I'm from Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. And
Okay.
basically, I'm from Rampur. And today I'm going to not teach you, but I'm going to tell you some few words about my native language. Can I communicate in Hindi? Everyone is familiar with Hindi?
Severians, this is a question directly for you. No, I think they can understand. They can understand, but maybe. Can you speak?
I'll try to.
Okay.
I can converse in Hindi.
Okay. Megha is good in Hindi. And I
Okay, so
think
I'm going to,
all others can, I think they can understand Hindi.
Yes,
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
not like proper Hindi. I'm just telling you because Pahadi language. I'm telling you Pahadi language. So
Okay.
Pahadi language is just breaking down the Hindi words and molding them into some new words. That's what
Okay.
Pahadi is.
Okay.
So I'm going to teach you few things like what is your name, my name, here, there. These words I'm going to teach you today.
Okay, Jyotsna. So, just can you also tell this is a Pahadi language, one of the many languages you speak in Himachal? It is just one language, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Do
just
you have
one
many
language.
dialects, right? You have
We
many
have
dialects.
yes, ma'am. We have very much dialects actually because dialect changes after every 10 kilometers in Himachal. It's very
Oh,
different in every region. So I'm just
okay,
teaching
okay,
where I am from. I'm from Rampur and I'm teaching that. It's
okay,
also called
okay.
Rampuri or Bushehri Bhasha.
Usheri. Okay.
Bushehri, yes, ma'am.
Mm,
So
okay.
first, ma'am, can I start?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, so first basic thing is what is your name? अगर किसी को पूछना हो तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? So in
Mm.
Pahadi, for elders we'll say नाव का तेरो. In Pahadi, we'll say
Now
now.
Katero.
Yes,
Uh,
now ka tero. In for elders and for
now
juniors
Katero.
and youngers, we'll say now ka
Uh,
tera.
oh, O shows the respect, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now ka tero is for elders and now ka
Uh,
tera is for youngers. Okay, so
okay,
I
okay.
have to
Now
say that my name
Katero.
is, yes, ma'am. I have to say my name is Jyotsna Bekta. So I'll say मेरा नाम ज्योत्सना बेगटा. मेरो
Mera
नाम
now.
no
Mera
no no.
now. No, no.
मेरा नाम
Okay.
ज्योत्सना बेगटा.
Okay, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
So
Good.
next,
Severians. Did you get the language? One
Yeah.
sentence?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jyotsna. You can continue, Jyotsna.
okay, so next is how are you? तुम कैसे
Mm.
हो? How are you? We'll say for elders we'll say किसे तुम्हें? किसे
Kishe
तुम्हें?
tume. Ah,
Yes. And for juniors or youngers we'll say किशी नहीं for actually for females we'll say किशी तू.
okay.
किशी तू or and for males we'll say किशा तू.
Kishatu. Kishitu. Kishatu.
किशी तू
Okay,
and
good.
किशा तू.
Ah,
And if I have to say that I am fine, I'll
ah.
say आओ ठीक. Ao means I, me, I'm fine. So I'll say
Okay.
आओ ठीक.
Aun keek.
ठीक. It's like
Okay,
Hindi words are most frequently used in Pahadi Bhasha.
okay,
So
okay. So,
it's like
Severians,
आओ ठीक.
ask Radiance. How are you? Just ask. Kishitu, right?
Kitu.
Yes, ma'am.
Kishitu. All should ask. Kishitu. Kishitu.
आओ ठीक. तुम्हें किसे?
And you should respond. Obedience. Kishitu.
आओ ठीक.
आओ ठीक.
Okay, outik. Only one response. Obedience. Are you not here? Sir, do they have any
आओ
network
ठीक.
issues? Yes,
They are
many,
there.
many.
Many pigeons are there, ma'am.
Okay, okay. They are not opening up.
And because maximum are
Actually,
from other
ma'am.
parts. They're not from the
Yes,
same.
ma'am. Actually,
Okay, okay. They are from
maximum
various
that's in
departments.
variance.
Yes, ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
From
Actually,
various
they are.
the language may be different, na? They don't know this language also.
Oh
The
my
dialect.
God. Okay, okay, okay. Oh.
Their language
Oh.
may be different, and many Birians are from Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi maximum.
Ha. Okay, okay,
That's why.
okay. So you're more comfortable with Hindi than the Pahadi language, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So Kishitu and first was
Now Katero.
now Katero. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Then anything else,
Uh,
Jyotsna?
ma'am, next is where are you? If I have to ask where are you, we'll say कितने औसत तुम है?
Oh my God. Kitio?
कितने औसत तुम है? कितने औसत
Okay,
तुम
okay.
है?
Okay. Severians.
And
Uh, okay,
okay,
continue.
where are you?
Uh,
Is कितने औसत तुम है?
Pitio.
And Like if someone is saying, "What are you doing?" क्या कर रहे हो तुम? What are you doing? So
Huh.
it's simple. का करे? का
Ka kare.
करे? का
That is
करे
simple.
simple.
That is simple. Right. You're
Yeah.
right.
What are you
Ka
doing? का
kare.
करे?
Ka kare.
Like, say
Okay.
if I have to answer like I am working, आओ काम करूँ.
Karu.
आओ
Aau
काम
kaam
करूँ.
karo. Aau means me. I.
Me. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I.
Mm.
आओ काम करूँ.
Mm.
Like
Okay.
some few words in Pahadi is like, for me it's आओ. For
Mm.
water it is
Mm.
cheesh. If you have to say
Water for
water,
water.
cheesh. Cheesh.
Cheesh. Cheesh.
Cheese.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Cheesh.
Okay. Okay.
Like if you have to say stand up,
Mm.
utho, stand up, we'll say huzi.
Hulzi.
Huzi.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think, Jyotsna, you should have
Any
better
more
typed all these things. It will be easy for you to be for us to read from those lines. I think for the next week, next interaction, I
Okay,
think we
ma'am.
can plan something for that because some words
Okay,
may
ma'am.
not be properly pronounced when we repeat
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same. So if it is a presentation mode, something is there on the maybe word file, it will be more easier for the Severians to follow you. I think.
Okay, ma'am. Next time,
Yes.
ma'am, I'll make a whole presentation of this.
Oh, okay, okay.
I
Thank you.
think it's enough for today क्योंकि इससे ज़्यादा
Yeah,
बोलूंगी तो they
yeah,
will not be
yeah,
able to
that's
learn.
right. I think you can message me all these sentences that I'll share with our ABS
Okay,
meme
ma'am.
members. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I'll do.
Okay. Thank you, Jyotsna Bekta.
Welcome.
Now, what should
Welcome.
we do?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, can
Yes,
I say something?
yes, Meka.
Yeah, ma'am. What I understood from all the conversational sentences that were shared is that this Pahadi Bhasha shares a lot of similarities with Hindi and in some ways Bengali also in pronunciation.
Okay. Is it similar to Bengali?
Yes, ma'am.
You could
Actually,
find.
ma'am, we cannot say Bengali because, like, I'm from Rampur. My
Okay.
slang would be different, saying of
Okay.
saying things. Like
Okay.
people
Okay.
from Sirmaur, their slang would be different. From
Okay.
Kinnaur or Manali, their slang would be different. So, आप अगर जहाँ जहाँ की भी सुनोगे, you will find something or the other. Like from Sirmaur, you will find like that Maharashtra touch, Maharashtrian, Marathi
Okay.
touch.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Himachal
Okay.
is full of different things.
Mm-hmm. I could get every 10 kilometers you are
Yes, ma'am.
experiencing a change in dialect, right? Oh, so that is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
it's a unique thing within a
Yes,
state.
ma'am.
Too many dialects. We too
And
have many
dynamic.
dialects, but we can understand. We can understand Malayalam. All the Malayalam dialects we can understand, but that is totally
Yes, ma'am.
change. I think in every
Ma'am,
dialect that you are
yes,
speaking.
ma'am. Like in Himachal, we can understand, but it's very difficult. Like from I am Rampuri, if a person from Kullu will speak their dialect, it would be difficult for me to understand because it's totally different.
Okay, okay, okay,
And Kinnauri is totally different. Lahore Spiti's language is totally different.
okay,
Like,
okay.
if you will hear them, you will say they
Hmm.
are speaking Chinese.
Okay.
That different.
Uh-huh.
That's why it's very different from every region.
Okay. Okay, Jyotsna, then do one thing. So far, the concepts or the statements that you have made in Pahadi language, just type it and share it with us. So at least we can
Okay.
have some few sentences that we are familiar with Pahadi language, right? So I think that
Okay.
is more than enough for today's presentation. Maybe that teaching, not teaching, that sharing. Uh, uh, so shall
Yes,
we
ma'am.
move to the next session then? Severians, Bedians?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. I think
Yes, ma'am.
Sonia ma'am, what should we do? Actually, what do we have two programs. One is a quiz, online quiz, a very funny quiz, and another one is we will teach you a folk song, 4 lines. So, what do you prefer first, Bedians?
Actually, excuse me, ma'am. Sorry
Yes,
to disturb.
yes.
Ma'am, actually, we have also prepared something like our Pahadi Nati. We'll translate it to
Dance.
you. No, ma'am, we'll
Pahadi Nati
translate our
is
Pahadi song.
okay.
Okay, Drishti.
Very good afternoon to all. My
Okay,
name is
Drishti.
Drishti.
Drishti,
I'm
can you
from,
turn on your video?
ma'am, actually some network problem is there.
Everyone is claiming network issues and no one is turning on their video, Manu
But
sir.
in hilly
It is
areas,
not going.
in hilly areas, ma'am, we have network issues.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Drishti, no problem. Was just making fun of. Drishti, come on. Go
I'm
with the
from
song.
Shimla. I'm
Okay,
basically from Chopal. I will
okay.
teach you one Pahari Nati and I will translate it in Hindi.
Mm,
First, I will play one song, then I'll
mm,
translate it.
okay.
Can you hear the song?
Yes, but the volume is very low.
This line means, I want to roam Shimla, so please buy me a pink plazo. Pink plazo means it's a traditional like सब पहनते हैं according to fashion, new fashion in Himachal. And next is this line means you wish for new things every day, and there is not even food at home.
Hmm. I think you better you sing, Drishti. If you
Ma'am,
can sing, you just sing the song. I think
not
that
this
is
time
that. It is a
Indian.
folk song. Your folk song. No need to too much bother about the singing quality. It is your folk song, your culture. I think that the audio was not that clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
I think all the obedience they will help you out.
Okay.
Obedience, please help Drishti with the song.
Ma'am, I will start.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can, you
Please
can.
start.
Said देवनाथ शिमला ढूंढे पंडिता Onatha pink palazzo. It means I want to roam Shimla,
Uh,
so please buy me a pink palazzo.
Pink
Palazzo.
palazzo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, basically it's an outfit. It's trending nowadays.
Okay.
So that girl is telling to her husband to buy her a pink palazzo because it's trending and she wants to look beautiful and she used to match the other girls like how they're getting ready and everything like that.
Okay. And the lines, can you repeat the line, the Pahadi line?
Ma'am, it's
देवनाथ
like
शिमला.
हाँ, it's
Yes.
like ड्योणे ड्योणे थे शिव में लेके घूमदे पंडिता लेना था पिंक पलाजो रे, which means she's saying to her husband
Uh,
कि take me to Shimla and I want to take pink palazzo because everyone has it, it's trending, every other lady wears it, I also want it. So Pandit means
uh,
to saying your her husband कि take me to
okay.
Shimla and I
Uh.
want to take a pink palazzo, a pink
So
color palazzo.
you are using English word pink for the color pink, or do you have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
other word for it?
No, ma'am. It's
Okay,
the
okay.
color
No, ma'am,
pink.
it's pink.
Pink. Okay, okay. Okay, Drishti and Jyotsna, continue. Is the one song.
And
I
next
think
line,
few more lines are there, right?
yes, ma'am. Now,
Uh,
voice that her husband sings. Nokha nokha paletoy shock bamaniya gorakani khanake najore. It means you are wishing for new things every day, and there is not even food at home to eat.
okay, okay. So you're asking for new things every day, so there is no food at home. So
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
ask, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then can you repeat the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Pahadi line.
Nokha nokha paletoy shock bamaniya gorakani khanake najore.
Jyotsna, can you repeat those lines because Drishti's voice
Yes,
is, I
ma'am.
think, little bit.
Yes, ma'am. It goes like नोखे नोखे पाले ना तू शौक बामणिए घरे नहीं खाने के ना जोरे. It means कि नए नए नोखे नोखे शौक मत पाल. We don't have even to eat food at home. So don't
Okay.
you know नए नए
Noke,
शौक मत
noke, noke
रख अपने.
means noke, noke means.
नोखे नोखे means अनोखे
New
unusual new new.
demands.
Okay, okay, demands. Khana, same like Hindi, like
It's
food.
like najo najo naj
Najo,
anaj.
No.
Naz, Naz. Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Naz. Okay. Is the four lines? Drishti?
Yes,
Four
ma'am.
lines. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, then I think it's our turn. We can also teach one song. Meenakshi, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Meenakshi. Please turn on your video and introduce.
I
See,
hope I'm visible to
see,
everyone. Hi, I'm
yeah.
Nakshi. Yeah,
Meenakshi.
ma'am, you can continue.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so obedience, we have a song and Meenakshi will teach you. Is it Meenakshi? Are you going to teach the song? Like
See, there are
that?
two more girls. I'm going to teach
Okay,
Vallangali. This
Ma'am.
Susan and Anita will help you.
okay.
Is this
Susan and Anita?
Vallangali song?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Tititara?
I'll present. Do you need to present that
Yes,
thing?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, I'll present. Obedience, but
Yeah, ma'am.
one
Otherwise, you
condition.
won't be able to cope
You
with it.
have to sing with them. Obedience. We have to sing. We'll show the lyrics. Okay, please
Okay,
try.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
should I present the lyrics?
Yeah, they have the
I'll
lyrics. Anita,
okay then.
Anita has,
Okay then.
yeah, yeah.
Anita, please present the script. No problem.
Okay.
So obedience condition one, only one condition that you have to sing along with Meenakshi and Susan.
Ma'am, we'll try.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is visible, and I think Anita only four lines we need for today. Only four lines. So can you just zoom
Ma'am, is
only
it
the
full?
four line? Yeah, it is a
Okay,
full
okay.
lyrics.
Ma'am, I can't, so I'll try.
Yes.
Ma'am, how is
Yes.
it okay?
Yes. 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 It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Anita.
Okay, ma'am.
So obedience. Can you see the lyrics? Only
Yes,
the four
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
lines. Yes. It is called
Yes.
the Vanji part. Vanji part. Vanji part means Sonia during the boat race. To ease the labor of racing, they will sing this song.
See, I think Anita has an introduction, right, for the Vanji Pata.
Yes, Anita.
So,
Yeah,
Then
Anita.
please.
this is a famous song that is known by every Malayalis, and it is sung during the boat race. And Vanji, the word Vanji in Malayalam means boat. So Vanji, boat, and Pata song. Vanji
Okay.
Pata means boat song. That's it.
Good. Good, Anita.
So can we start, ma'am?
So obedience. Are you ready? Yes,
Yes,
of
ma'am.
course.
Yes, ma'am.
Obedience.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
should.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Meenakshi.
Yes,
Start.
ma'am.
And
Where is
sometimes
Susan
there will
Chechi?
be
Is
a
she gonna sing with me or she's
time
gonna
difference.
repeat? I don't know. The like confusion. Yeah, exactly.
But I didn't
Ma'am,
get you.
we'll try to sing it together, but
Okay.
if there is any connection problem, we'll sing.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay. Okay. It's okay.
So ready, 1, 2, 3, start. കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ
കടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ
കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ
പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ തെറ്റിത്താര
കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ
വേണം
കുരവ
കുഴൽ
വേണം
വേണം കുഴവ വേണം
Okay, we'll do one thing. One person. We'll start with
Yes.
one person. Yeah,
And
it's
I have
like.
one more suggestion. I think you first teach the Tittitara Tittite. That will be easy for them. And after that, we can go to the words, I think. First teach them one person, Tititara Tititai. I think only one singer we need.
Okay,
Either
ma'am.
Susan or Meenakshi. I think that is eco problem.
Susan Jishi, you can take over. It's fine.
Okay. So second lyric starts with Tei Tei Taga Tei Tei Tong. That's
Can you repeat?
actually the first
Am I
line
audible?
is sung by one person. The second line is
one.
like a chorus.
No,
Okay,
it's like you teach them tititara titite titte
Yes,
tagadedo.
yes, right.
okay. So tititara titite titte titte tagade te to. Takate.
Anita,
Yes, ma'am.
can you repeat once more? Like they won't get it.
Okay, it's like tititara titite titte titte tagade. Tititara titte 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 tagade. Is it okay, obedience?
Obedience.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, can you just repeat after her?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. We'll
just teach them tititara titite. I think that
Okay,
will do,
ma'am.
Shruti, right? Tititara titite.
Yes.
Okay, just teach them that line alone.
Okay.
Okay.
So should I explain the rest?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Tittara titte 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 tagade. Tittara titte 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 tagade. Yes.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah,
Repeat, no problem. It
okay.
is a new language for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, tittara titte titte tagade.
I
Okay.
think only Jyotsna is trying. Anyone else? Obedience? Jyotsna, please sing along with Jyotsna.
Jyotsna, let's sing.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Tittara,
tittara
tittara,
titte
titti, titti,
titte
titti,
titte tagade.
takati.
Oh, super. Okay. So once more.
Okay. Yes.
So, oh, tittara titte 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 takade. Is it
Okay.
fine, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
you can go for the first line then.
Okay, ma'am.
Just sing it for them. Just sing it, like just to get
Okay,
the
ma'am.
feel of the song.
Okay, ma'am. കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തേതേ തകതേ തേതോ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ തിത്തിത്താതേ തേതേ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം ഓ ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ ദിത്തേ ദിത്തേ തകതേ ഓ ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ ദിത്തേ ദിത്തേ തകതേ. Is it fine, ma'am?
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. And there is not exact translation that we discuss for the Pahadi song. I think it is not possible for to translate these lines, right? It is not. It is just a folk song. When the boat race, for the boat race, they will sing this song for to ease their labor, kind of
To get the
togetherness, to get the feel of togetherness. Okay, I think again you can try, Susan.
Okay, ma'am. കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തേതേ തകതേതേതോ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ ദിത്തിത്താതേ തേതേ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം ഓ ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ ദിത്തേ ദിത്തേ തകതേ ഓ ദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തേ ദിത്തേ ദിത്തേ തകതേ.
Okay, Obedience, can you try?
Actually, ma'am, it's so pleasing to hear it, but at the same time, it's like a Korean song for us. Very difficult to translate.
Can you just follow the tune and lines that is displayed on the presentation?
Ma'am, we
Images
can
hidden.
sing along.
Yeah, I didn't get you, Akshita. Akshita.
We can sing along with Susan.
Okay, Susan. Susan, please help them.
Okay. കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തേത്തേ തക തേത്തേ തോം.
Susan, just stop. Just line by line, we can ask them to repeat.
Okay, ma'am. കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ
കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ.
Okay, right.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
തേത്തേ തക തേത്തേ തോം.
തേത്തേ തക തേത്തേ തോം.
Okay. So can I repeat once more?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തേത്തേ തക തേത്തേ തോം.
കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തേത്തേ തക തേത്തേ തോം.
Okay. So കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ.
കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാലെ.
തിത്തിത്താരെ തേ തേ.
Could you please repeat?
തിത്തിത്താതി തേ തേ. തിത്തിത്താതി.
തിത്തിത്താതി.
Yes, തിത്തിത്താതി.
Okay.
കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ തിത്തിത്താതി തേ തേ.
കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാലെ തിത്തിത്താതി തേ തേ. I can be wrong.
കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം.
കൊട്ടു വേണം. Sorry.
കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം. കുഴൽ.
Okay. കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം.
കുരവ വേണം. Okay, right. Okay. So last line. ഓ തിത്തിത്താരാ തിത്തിത്തേ.
ഓ തിത്തിത്താര തിത്തിത്തേ.
തിത്തേ തകതേ.
തിത്തേ തകതേ.
Okay, you did an awesome job.
It's good. It's good, Akshita. It was really good.
Okay,
Yeah.
Meenakshi, you can also try once. Meenakshi.
I think Jyotsna, Meenakshi.
Now it's Meenakshi's turn.
I have to sing the whole song.
No, just
Not
the four
the entire
lines.
song.
Same thing.
Just this much.
Okay, this part I'll teach again, line by line.
Okay, I think this time maybe Jyotsna or Tani Sharma, any other can try. Akshita already tried. Obedience. Anyone else, please try with Meenakshi.
Okay. I'll try. But please ignore, okay? I'm not a good singer. So
No problem.
It's
Tani.
okay. You don't have to be like, okay, I don't sing. It's fine. Just, it's fun.
Okay.
So,
കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തൈതേ തകതേ തോം. Could you please go line by line? കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ കുത്തനെ പുഞ്ചയിലെ.
yeah, exactly. Tei tagatei tum.
തൈതേ തകതേ തോം.
So can we sing those two lines together?
Yes.
കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ തൈതേ തകതേ tum.
Tani, don't too much think about your singing style. Just sing along with Meenakshi.
Good effort.
Yeah, good effort.
Thank you.
Yes, Meenakshi. Next
Okay,
line.
can I continue the next line?
Yes, yes.
കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ.
കുച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലലെ.
തിത്തിത്താരാ ദേ ദേ.
തിത്തിത്താതേരേ.
Yeah, so together. കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ തിത്തിത്താരാ ദേ ദേ.
കുച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാലെ തിത്തേ തിത്തേ. I'm so sorry.
Good, good, good.
It's okay, it's okay. Good, you're doing good.
It's good.
കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം.
Kuttu venam what was that?
കുഴൽ വേണം. കുഴൽ കുഴൽ.
Kural is a music instrument.
Okay, ma'am. Kuttu venam kudal venam.
Exactly. കുരവ വേണം.
Kurava venam.
So it's like കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം.
Kuttu venam kudal venam kurva venam.
ഓ തിത്തിത്താരാ തിത്തിത്തേ തിത്തേ തകതേ ദേതോ.
Tittara titte 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 titte.
Exactly. Good. You did good.
Good, 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 Tani. Good, Tani.
Thank
It is
you,
good.
ma'am. It was
Really
just
good, really. It's
Meenakshi.
really good. Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you, Susan.
Thank
I
you.
think we'll share the lyrics. For the next meeting, we can have together, we'll sing the song. Right. Only 4 lines.
Can I stop presenting?
Okay. Yes, Anita. Yes. Thank you, Anita.
It's okay, ma'am.
I think we will move to the next quiz.
So we
Sonia,
have a
please.
we have a small game for you. It's like it's a I cannot say it's just translation. It's just like we have given a list of words. You have to identify. We have given a list of pictures. You have to identify the pictures and you have to mark the correct Malayalam word for that picture. Okay? Can you all try? Can you all try?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's just for the obedience, okay, not for Severians. Okay, so I'll just copy the link in the chat box. I'll just
Sonia, just tell them
copy
how the structure of the question. 1 image and 2
yeah.
options.
Yeah, one image. Suppose like, if it is, for example, like, a pen, suppose it's a pen, we've given 2 words, pena and pencil. So pena is the right word in Malayalam. So in that way, like, you can actually, if you want, you can guess and you can mark it. It's up to you. Just it's just fun, okay? Just try it. Okay, I'm just copying the, can you see the link? Just click on this link and please enter your name and just join. It will lead you to a page called Quizzes. Just click on the link. Yeah. Manya has joined. Yes, I'll just share the screen for you so that you can see. See, Akshita, I think only 7. How many of you joined? 3, 2, 7 people joined. Yeah, 8. Nine.
Manu sir, you can also join.
Yeah.
No problem. Inviting you too.
So 9, that's all, huh?
Only 9 obedience.
Yeah, 10. So I think that's all right. 10, huh? Can we start? Avantika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The questions will appear on your screen. I mean, not my screen, but your screen. Okay. So can we start? Okay. So these are the questions, okay? These are the questions.
Sonia, I think you can one by one just show them. Can you?
Yeah. No, they can see it in their screen. This is for the
Yes.
audience. This is for the audience, okay?
Okay, that is the first one. Identify me.
Yeah. Don't say the answer now.
Okay. Oh, they are doing it right. Okay, no. I won't.
Hope you have finished. Akshita, I think you have finished, right? 15 questions are there. No. Hope you have finished it. Obedience, can I end the game? Can I stop it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll see who's the winner, okay? So Shruti ma'am will declare the winners.
No, I don't know where from.
No,
You can declare. No problem.
It will appear on the screen. 1 second. So just end the game. So Yeah, so the winners. Yeah. Okay, first.
Palak Chauhan.
Oh, it's gone.
Palak.
Then
Palak.
And Akshita. Then
one more person.
Niharika. Is it
Okay.
Niharika?
Palak. Where is Palak?
See, they got everything correct.
You're good. Great
Palak.
work.
See, 100% for Palak.
Wow.
Akshita for
Good.
It's Palak.
Oh, it's Palak.
Okay,
Okay.
sorry. Palak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Palak, 100%. Great job, yeah.
Great, Palak. Great. Palak, please turn on your video. We want to see the winner of the day.
Okay.
Palak?
Yeah. Yeah, she's yeah.
Okay. Then the second is Akshita. Akshita.
She said she has some problem with the camera, right?
No, I can.
Okay. Yeah. You can turn on.
Oh, mother. Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Then,
Congratulations. Then third.
Niharika.
Nehanka. Is it Nehanka?
Niharika.
Niharika.
Hope it is right. The pronunciation is right. Yeah.
Niharika.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, thank you
and
all.
Congratulations all those who participated. Everyone is a winner. Everyone. You just participated. You have shown the spirit. Congratulations all the obedience.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hope you enjoyed the game.
And how was it? How was the game?
Ma'am, it was too good. We enjoyed.
Good. Thank you. I just guessed the questions. Thankfully, I got it correct. Palak's message. Anyway, your guess is good. Brilliant guess. Then now we don't have much more games, or we don't have any quiz or anything like that. As per the last discussion, we can meet every month for interactive sessions. And it is now your turn, Bedians and Severians. I'm asking you, do you have any creative plans for future interactions? And what is your expectation for future interactions? Anyone can turn on your video or audio, or just discuss. You can suggest some of the creative ideas that will be building a very good relationship between two institutions, especially between the students. Suggestions expected both from Severians and Bedians. We are planning, anyway, again, we will be planning for future interactions. So do you have any suggestion for future interactions? The kind of theme? Today, fortunately, it was a translation day.
But you can give your ideas, Vijay. If you want to give, you can give your ideas. What kind of interaction you want with the other college? Niharika, you can give your suggestions, Vijay. Niharika, Akshita, Tanya, you can give your suggestions. Iya, you can give your suggestions. But you're open to give your suggestions. You're open to give your suggestions. Both the college students are open to give their suggestions.
Right, Severians too. Do you have any plan for future interactions? What do you prefer? We Severians, we have a WhatsApp group. For all the EBSB club members, we have a group, and I'm sharing all the information via that group. And I believe Manu Mahajan sir just he too told about your group, your WhatsApp group there in Himachal. You too have a WhatsApp group.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the only common platform that we share ideas only with our students. So I think for the future interaction, for the future association, do you prefer these kind of interaction or do you prefer anything else?
Ma'am, maybe after post-COVID, we can plan for student exchange. You can visit Shimla, we can visit Kerala if possible.
I don't think so. Near future, it is not possible. I think so.
No, post-COVID,
Yeah,
maybe
it
in
is.
January,
Yeah,
maybe in
no, it
Jan or
is.
Feb or March.
Maybe, but it is very difficult. I think for to plan for this. For
Not
maybe for
not right
1 year,
now.
not
Yeah,
right
Not right.
now.
probably after
Yeah,
COVID, this thing.
maybe after COVID. So I think Akshita turned on her audio, then suddenly stopped. Do you have any suggestion, Akshita Sharma?
Ma'am, for now, we can go for learning our languages because that's the common way that we can use for conversation and
Yes,
opening up with each other.
yes, right.
So we can
So,
have these meetings often so that we can uh, uh, break the ice, as you said earlier.
yes. So what about Severians? Do you all agree with the same,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
do you have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
other?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Uh,
Megha, do you have any suggestions, Megha, Serene, and all?
Ma'am, we can actually carry forward this interactive session. Once, like coming up once in a month, so that
yes,
everybody, as ma'am have told, we can break the ice,
yes.
and yeah, we can
Yeah,
concentrate on the language as well as next time maybe um, they might be able to sing a little more of our Vanji Pata,
yeah, and we
and
can sing their song too.
we can
Uh,
sing their
Yes,
folk
ma'am.
song too.
yes. So,
And
Actually,
So,
these
ma'am, I had a suggestion. It's not suggestion, like a request, like kind of we could hold similar interactive sessions each month, and each month we could focus on different topics of the social life in Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Like this time we had translation, language, etc. Next
yes,
time we could maybe have the social setup of both the states, or then the next one could be followed by, I guess, agriculture or dance, music, festivals like that. So
yes.
a cultural integration is what I was talking about, because that is what brings two communities closest.
Yeah, good. Good idea. That's good. Thank you, Megha. And for as a continuation for that, I think for the next EBSB club interaction, I think we can focus on maybe food of both states,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
that's a really good
Yes.
idea.
because food is the primary concern. Then after all the art will come next, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think
Always, ma'am.
so for the
Yes,
next
ma'am,
month
even in
for
life, food is the
yeah,
primary
food is yeah,
priority.
and I just want to introduce Dia and Sonia, two others who tried Himachal food, Dia Sarkar and
Dia, then Fiza. Fiza is not there, I think.
okay, then one more person was there, right? No, only two.
Anjana.
No, yeah, Anjana.
Okay, we tried in Saviors, we tried your food, and it was a very successful food fest. It was very good. It was very good. We tried your dishes. So maybe next interactive session, suggestion from my side, as Megha suggested, each month each topic. So this month we concluded this. We conducted this entire session based on the translation, not exactly the translation. We tried some folk songs and we tried some words and the quiz too. For the next month, I think both Obedience and Severians, you got a pretty good idea what about this. Yeah, Lekha from Hindi department, our Miss, she shared, we can share the recipes too. Recipes to kind of
Okay.
get uh, to, I think, share or to practice in at home. So for the next month, we can have the food. So now you got the idea how the interactions goes on. So from next month onwards, we will be sitting silently. Me, Manu sir, and Sonia ma'am will be sitting silently, and you should organize the entire things. Are you ready for
Yeah.
that? Obedience and Severians?
See, this
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
Yes,
you know,
ma'am.
There's a good question by Iya that
yeah, that's okay.
it is supposed to be only Himachal Pradesh food because all Vedians are not from Himachal.
Oh, that is a good question. But the problem is Kerala is in pair with Himachal Pradesh. So all the entire objective is focusing on the Himachal Pradesh art, culture, everything related to Himachal Pradesh. Because as a state wise, we are paired with Kerala. The entire state is paired with Himachal Pradesh. So I think we can stick on to
So,
Himachal.
are you not from Himachal? Where are you from?
I'm from Jammu, ma'am. Jammu.
Okay,
Okay, so
okay,
you can
okay.
also learn about Himachal Pradesh, right?
Ah,
Like
right,
Yes,
right.
us.
ma'am.
You will get a chance to learn more about Himachal. So, just this day, we couldn't melt the ice. Still, it is hard. We have 1 month left. So, for the next program, it is you are planning, you are organizing the program, and we will participate. Are you ready, obedience and Severians?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So
So, I
you
think
have to organize the entire thing. Both
entire
sides,
thing, entire
students have to
everything.
organize the entire thing. So we will sit back and watch.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
We will help. We will help. Definitely, will help you if you want any doubts. If you have any suggestions, if you have any doubt, we will dare to help you. But because every month, if our teachers are organizing everything, we have a very strong friendship now. But we expect the same strong friendship from both institution, students wise. Okay, is that clear, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so probably October, mid of October, can we, or towards the end of October, can we have another virtual meeting regarding the food of Himachal and Kerala?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so Serin and Anjali Reku is here as the EBSB coordinators, and from BDN side, who are the EBSB coordinators, student coordinators, EBSB coordinators, student coordinators?
Ma'am, me,
Uh,
Tanya.
Tani, only Tani, or anyone else to help you?
Ma'am, that girl is absent, I guess. Niharika can help Tanya.
Okay,
Niharika, can
okay.
you help Tanya?
So
Okay.
my next question is, can I share, or can you share, can I share Serin's and Anjali's number to Tani and Neharika, and the same
Yes,
with
ma'am.
Neharika and Tani, so you can have a very good interaction, and we are waiting for the next month virtual interaction. Hope it will
Okay,
be more
ma'am.
creative and more innovative, because we are all old. You are new generation. You can have a very better creative ideas for virtual meeting, right?
Yes,
Sure,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay, Sen. I think you can now itself, you can share the numbers if you are ready. Anjali, Sarin, do you have any problem? Tani, to share your numbers with Tani
No,
and
no.
Neharika?
No, ma'am. I don't
Okay,
It's
have
you
in
any
the
just
chat
problem.
box. Write
just
your
share,
numbers in the
share.
chat box.
Yes, yes, sir.
They can write their numbers in the chat box.
Yeah, yeah. Just put your numbers in the chat box and plan something very innovative. So next month topic is food. Food of Himachal Pradesh and food of Kerala. So Anjali posted her number, and Neharika and Sarin. I think Tani also shared. Yes, Tani also shared. Okay. So do girls do one thing. You have a EBSB student WhatsApp group there in Himachal Pradesh, and we have in Kerala, we have Severian WhatsApp group is there. For
Uh, I think
hello,
some, yeah.
some problem with my dog. Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay, some problem with my system. So I think whatever you're planning, please do communicate with your EBSP student members. Okay, Tania and Niharika, you can share with your ideas with your student members, and Sarin and Anjali, please do share the same with your student members, so they can also suggest something. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
shall we
ma'am.
plan? I think for third week of October.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I think we can wind up the session. Do you have any other comments, suggestion, anything else to share? Okay, if nothing, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Manu Mahajan sir and Sonia, Bridget ma'am, Lekha from Hindi department, and the entire BDNs and entire Severians who made this virtual event a very successful. And I felt it is very happy to interact with all BDNs and Severians. Hope this interaction we can have it every month virtually, and hope the ice will melt within 1 month. Hope, I think, I believe. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
On behalf of St.
Thank
Pete's
you,
College,
ma'am.
Thank you.
thank all of you, my BDNs, my Aluin students, the teachers, the faculty members, and the coordinators also, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Sonia, to stop recording in a mobile phone, I don't know. I was searching.
Oh. I can stop record. I'll just stop recording. It's showing stop recording.
Okay.
Let
Okay.
me try.
Oh, yes, yes.